Hey everybody, it's James again from Palmer & Hamilton Fab Labs. Today we are going to go over the Scribble feature and text feature. And we're going to reference our last lesson when we brought an object onto another object using the work plane. So I'm going to switch this to inches because usually I do about a 4" by, let's just do a 4x4. 4x4 box. And we'll just make this an inch tall just for simplicity's sake. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is go to the work plane. I want my Scribble to be right on top of that box there. So I do the work plane, I do my Scribble feature, and now I am in a feature that I can draw whatever I want to draw, and it's going to extrude that into a 3D object. So let's just say I want to write my name. This is really bad. If I had a touchscreen, it would look a lot better. But we're going to just write my name here. As you see in the top right there, it's giving me an example. So the next thing we are going to do is hit done. Now I have my text, or my Scribble I should say, on top of this box. I'm going to click away from the work plane, and there we go. It's going to act as one object, so it is automatically grouped together, so I can move this around however I want, right? The next feature we're going to use is text. So we're going to go to the work plane again, get the work plane on top, and we're going to hit text. And over here is where you'll edit your text. In the text box, we're going to type Fab Lab. Oh wow, it's a lot bigger than we want it to be, right? That is okay. So we are just going to size it to fit on top of our box. And there we go. Now I have text and Scribble on top of there. Click away. I can review my object. I can give it different heights if I want to make this lower or higher. The standard is usually at 10, so we'll put it back to 10. Same thing with the Scribble. I can make it really big. I can make it really small. Look how big that is. Alright, we'll go back down to, let's see what one looks like. And let's go half of that. Alright, there we go. I can even go back and edit this Scribble and change things if I wanted to. I'm not going to go too far into detail. I'll let you play around with the features of that. But in the next lesson, I'm going to teach you how to embed this into an object. So if you want to brand something or put your name within something, we're going to go over that next. So thanks for watching. This was lesson 4. Using the Scribble and text feature. The next lesson is going to be making a hole in an object. Thanks for watching.